If you enjoy stick animation and you want to create something like that with Leonardo AI, this is the video for you. So what you have to do is to go to the website and scroll down. Why I like to scroll down is to get inspirations for, okay, just click on the all section because I've set this to photography. So click on the all section and it should give us what we want. So just you keep scrolling until you see a stick. Okay, this is hand drawn. You can also use this, or these are hand drawn. Yes, this is the stick animation. So we can click on it to get the perfect prompt for create very good stick animation image. So you can see the image it generated with this prompt. Now you see a dynamic 2D Stickman character in an action pose, black stick figure with white glowing eyes standing in a dramatic fighting scene on a futuristic glowing platform. Intense anime style. Good. This is very good. Now we can just copy the prompt, and or we can even just click on remix and it should take us to where we can remix this to our preference. Now once the prompt has been put in the prompt bar, I can now edit it to what I want to edit it to. I have gone ahead to edit the prompt, and now all I have to do is click on generate and wait for it to give me a very good image. Now we can see the very beautiful image it has created for us based on the prompt I gave it, since I wanted two dynamic 2D Stickman characters, one with red eyes and the other one with blue. This is very perfect. I can go ahead to download this image and use it for what I intend to use it for. So thank you and do have a great day.